Now let's look at figure 20-21. Basically, we're dealing with transformers that are not totally enclosed except for ventilating openings. We're installing this transformer in a room that contains combustible material. And in the NEC loop now, these transformers that we're talking about are less than 112.5 kVA or over 112.5 kVA. And that's kind of how we divide these transformers. And then notice 450.21a in the NEC loop, we're dealing with transformers 112.5 kVA or less. Or 450.21b is in boy, we're dealing with transformers over 112.5 kVA. And in 450.21c is in car, we're dealing with transformers over 35,000 volts, and they're headed for a vault that we'll see and look at later. Now, this transformer that we're reviewing in this figure is not, if it's not totally enclosed and has a class of 155 or higher insulation, and it's dry type, and it's over 112.5 kVA, then it's installed in accordance with exception 1 to 450.21b. But the main thing we're reviewing in this illustration in figure 20-21 is that this transformer you see in the illustration is not, it's not totally enclosed with or without ventilating openings. So if you're in a combustible material type room, you need 6 foot horizontally, as you see, from the edge of the transformer to the combustible material. Vertically, you need 12 foot. And this is a transformer rated over 112.5 kVA, and the spacing requirements have to line up with 450.21b as in boy, exception number 1. And that's what this figure 20-21 is illustrating to someone installing a non-totally enclosed type transformer in an area, room, where there's combustible material.